Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning with Python. Create a simple roadmap. Set up Python, make a virtual environment, and install core packages like NumPy and scikit-learn. Next, pick an introductory dataset and follow a tutorial to build a basic model. Practice by modifying code, tracking results, and reading model outputs. Repeat lessons until the process feels comfortable and you can explain each step aloud. In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning with Python. Focus on core concepts like supervised versus unsupervised learning, model evaluation metrics, and feature engineering. Start with classification, then try regression and clustering to compare approaches. Experiment with scaling and encoding to see performance changes. Keep notes on what improves results and why, and gradually build a toolkit of preprocessing steps you can reuse across projects. In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning with Python. Quick recommendation: grab the Oala water bottle to stay hydrated during long coding sessions. It fits cup holders and won't leak. It's a small upgrade that keeps your focus sharp between experiments. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning with Python. Start hands-on projects using accessible datasets and follow a simple pipeline. Load data, clean features, train a model, and evaluate results. Try multiple algorithms to compare outcomes and use cross-validation for reliable feedback. Document experiments and save working notebooks so you can revisit ideas and refine techniques as your understanding grows and confidence increases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.